Approach checklist.
Approach checklist, please.
Approach checklist. By reference.
Reference QNH 1009 or set.
1009er. Seatbelts.
Seatbelts on.
Minimums.
Minimum, it's 300 set.
Auto brake.
Brake off.
Engine mode selector.
Normal.
Approach checklist complete.
Check.
Yeah, sure.
Airbus 091, continue descent to 4,000 feet, cancel altitude restriction.
Descend 4,000, say again the rest, Arabia 091.
No restriction.
Cancel restrictions.
Cancel restrictions, Arabia 091.
Airbus 091, cleared RMP Zulu runway 36, report established.
Cleared RMP Zulu, runway 36, report established, Arabia 091.
Check. Clear RMP then. So 4,000 initially unrestricted.
Firm. Good, Captain?
Yeah, good.
Skies over 242, Mali.
Go ahead, 242.
Skies over 242, climb and maintain flight level 180.
Clear for level 180, 242. Malaysian 484, request higher up to 390.
Airbus 091, continue descent to 2,000 feet.
Continue descent 2,000 feet, Arabia 091.
2000 set. Checked.
Malaysian flight 46, I guess there.
Malaysian 484, request higher level up to 390 is available.
Malaysian flight 45. Skies over 242, flight level 180. Skies over 242, Mali.
Your request direct my 602?
Mike.
Arabia 091, requesting direct Mike 602.
Airbus 091, direct Mike 602, report established.
Direct Mike 602, report established, Arabia 091.
Check confirm.
Firm.
It's sufficient because it's okay.
Yeah.
Amazing view, man.
It is, yeah. The islands all look so nice. Thousands to go.
Saving for the reserve, requisition in contact with Dalu. 3400, descend 7,000 feet, continue with Dalu. Descend 7,000, continue with Dalu, 3400, connect. Malaysian 484, expect higher after 5 minutes.
Copy, Malaysian 484. All control, Sky 7242.
Sky 7242, Mali control, how do you read me now?
Checked.
Right now, 4.5 here.
Sky 7242, climb and maintain flight level 180.
Clear for level 180, 242.
Marley from Quebec Echo, QRX 950.
QRX 950, go ahead.
So the radio wasn't absolutely brilliant just earlier. Just confirming, we just passed Tenerife for the 1 Alpha arrival for runway 36, confirm?
QRX 950 from Tenerife 1 Alpha arrival.
Perfect. Andrew, just reporting
Flaps 1
for QRX 950.
check.
Approach 1
Final brew approach lamp.
Checked.
Arabia 091, established on finals, runway 36.
Airbus 091, contact tower 1181, good day.
Tower 1181, Arabia 091, good day.
Hey, my broad.
Tower, good afternoon, Arabia 091, established on the RNP for runway 36.
Airbus 091 Tower, wind is 29009, runway 36, clear land.
Runway 36, clear to land, Arabia 091.
Check clear to land.
QRX 950, confirm ready for descent.
Affirm, yeah, we can descend for QRX 950.
QRX 950, descent, flight level 340 initially.
Descend, flight level 340, QRX 950.
And approach flaps 2.
Speed check. Flaps 2.
Gear down.
Gear down.
Sky 710, contact MALÉ control 1239, good day.
123.9, square for 102, good day.
Speed. For altitude, it's 4,000.
Affirm.
4,000 sits. Flaps 3.
Speed check. Flaps 3.
Approach Mike, Bravo, VA6 rapid.
Tango Mike, Bravo.
Flap full.
Speed check. Flaps full.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist. ECAM memo.
Landing W.
Cabin.
Ready.
Landing checklist complete.
Check. Checked. So going manual, pilot off, flight directors off,
Flight directors off.
birds on, set runway track.
Bird on. Runway track set.
Check. Checked.
Minimum.
Continue.
MALÉ Tower, Singapore 431.
Singapore 431, contact ground 121.6.
Spoilers.
Okay, copy that, 126.
Reversers green. Decel.
Check. Mother brakes.
Check. $70 knots.
Check. Neighbor, okay. Well, let's go next one.
Airway 091, make turn by Delta 2. Stand Alpha 8 via Bravo 5.
Vacate via Delta 2, Charlie, Bravo 5 for stand Alpha 8, that'll be 091.
Alpha 8, Bravo 5. Check. Clear left.
97, Romeo Alpha Echo, entering horizon, north left.
Romeo Alpha Echo, line up northwest number 1.
Line up north left, number 1, Romeo Alpha Echo.
Left side to
Clear right side. Checked. Clear right.
Left, turn left.
Check.
So it's case of 706, ready for taxi.
Sky 706,
landing
holding
checklist.
point Delta 6 via Bravo 7.
After landing checklist, radar break the wind shear.
Off.
After landing checklist complete.
Check. So, straight. Bravo 5.
Romeo Alpha Echo, are you ready?
First stand
Alpha
Alpha 8.
Romeo Alpha Echo.
Romeo Alpha Echo, clear for takeoff, north left turn.
Cleared for takeoff, north left, left turn, Romeo Alpha Echo.
So from Bravo 5, Alpha 8 is right.
Affirm.
Check.
Cool down time elapsed.
Check signaling with the express.
Check. Shutting down 2.
Check.
Yellow electrical.
Airbus A320, re-clear to vacate Charlie via Bravo 4 to stand Alpha 8.
Charlie, Bravo 4, Alpha 8, that'll be 091.
Check.
SkySurfer 706, are you ready for departure?
So from Bravo 4 to be to the left.
Check.
So you turn right and then left. Check.
706, we're fully ready.
706, enter line up runway 36 via Delta 6.
To line up runway 36 by Delta 6706.
Bravo 4, second to the right.
Affirm.
Sky Quebec at your holding back.
Oscar Quebec, line up and wait northwest, report ready.
Report ready, Sky Quebec.
Romeo Alpha Echo, approach 197.
1197, Romeo Psycho.
Clear right.
Check on the right. Alpha 8,
Affirm.
next to the ATR. So the
Next
view.
to the... Okay. I think you said start. Clear right.
Yeah, left or left.
Affirm. Checked.
SkySurfer 706, climb 7,000 feet initially via SID. 270 degrees 7 knots, runway 36, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared to take runway 36, climb 7000 on SID 706.
Marshal inside.
Check. Clear right.
Check and then. Brace set. Fuel it on.
Check.
Yellow off.
Yellow off.
Into one shutdown. Parking checklist.
Parking checklist. Parking breaker chocks.
Parking brace
SkySurfer
set.
706, approach
Engines
197.
Off.
190.
Fuel pumps.
Off.
Yeah, electric pump.
Off.
Parking checklist complete.
Thank you.
Come.